RCHUB International Foundation for Research and Education, an ISO certified.
Participants, all the participants for the second day of this exploration in research for academic writing and publications. So let me come with the participants so that I want to discuss with the participants regarding the queries, what you are related with the academic writing and the publications. So last class, yesterday we have seen about what are all the various tools which is used for writing the content and how to verify the content, whether it is AI related or AI refined or it is a human related documents. That's what last class we had been discussed. And yesterday, as I suggested, some of the participants told that we want to convert the text to images or graphical formats in order to writing for the researchers. So today we start our session with that. So that I would like to share my screens and we can go with the sessions today. So as the name suggested, as the workshop name suggested, it is called as research exploration. So the term exploration refers to what all the content is available. We are going to collect it and we are going to produce in this workshop. So we are not going to provide any new content or we are not going to provide any new AI or this RCHUB Academy is not going to generate any AI. Whatever the AI has been generated, we are going to explore. That's the keyword we are used here. It is called as research exploration. The same content may be reflected in some other websites or the tutorials or some other self-learning process is there. Of course, it is there. So what we are doing is here we are going with the research exploration. How far this research can be utilized for academic writing and publications. So last class we have discussed about how to generate the text in order to the research side, and we can verify through the another AI whether it can be generated by an AI or it cannot be, whether it is a human readable format. So now today we can go with the two types of session. First session we are going that how to convert the text into an images. So we need an image clarity. Suppose I want to draw an image for my researchers, right? So I can use various tools for drawing the results. Previously, what happened? We have to learn the content from the existing paper and we will take the diagram and we used to refer the diagram and we have to make it. But with the help of this AI tool, we can able to generate the text to image conversion. So that is the first part. So I think the participants are from various domains are here. So can you able to give any messages? Suppose you want something, you want to draw it so that in a text, you give it in a text format. No need to give it in a figure format so that I can come with a reality how this AI tool can be used to generate that. So if the participants are interested, just give 3 or 4 steps like this. You want these images. It can be in any background, either a computer science or a non-computer science or circuit branches or non-circuit branches. So I would like to participants give a text messages so that I can come here. If you type the text, so sir, I want like this. Similarly, I want like this type of images. Just you draw the text. From that text, how we can generate the images with the AI tool. We can see that. So I request the participants to type any 2 or 3 texts which is related to your domain or any related to your particular concept so that we can see that. If any participants are interested, can go for do that so that I'm waiting for your response. Is there any response from your side? What type of text? Yeah, we can go here. Yes, that's thank you. I'll copy it. Let me go here. I'll go with one by one so that we can come here. So first I'll copy in front of you. I'm copying. I'm not doing any other thing. So first we can go here. Whatever the AI tool which you are comfortable, you can go here, right? You type it so that I can get the messages also. Now look at here. Create images, surprise me, summarize text, help me, and more. If you click here more also, you can see that. Analyze the images. So now I'm going to make it as the participants has given and I'm going to generate. See, I'm not going to generate. I'm going to create. So you want to create an image, right? So better I can go here, create an image with this process and I'm going to upload. So you can see this is a image generated by the AI, not by the human being. So I have taken the content since I'm not belongs to that particular background. The participants, what document they have been sent at, and you can see here. See the diagram. I think the participants has to be say that whether it is, you can see that this is the diagram of representation creating images. So you can see that they are given a 4 stages inflation, so that you can see that. I want the participant response. Is it okay for you? The person who has been given. And similarly, we can go here. So I want to go here with gut microbe, right? Not better, we can go with some other AI, right? Not with one AI tool. So better I can go here with Gemini AI, and I can go here with, see, that's what the keyword is, exploration. The ultimate workshop concept, it is of exploration. Yeah, sir, it is okay, but I can use it in the article. Yes, ma'am. If you want, you can utilize in your article also. It will be in a 3D effect, which is a clarity. But when you come for the journal, they used to say this much color, so you have to make it in such a way that. Now I'll go here with the second thing. I want to make it with, once again, I'm going to make it create images. Once again, I'm going here with another AI, not with the same AI, right? You can see that this AI is produced. So you can use any AI, whichever you are convenient, so that according to your satisfaction. So, sir, can you able to suggest which AI? I can't able to suggest which AI is that. Which AI you are comfortable. You can see here. I think I have taken the values of person, and you can see here. Yeah. No, which AI you can use, anything is okay for you. It is your convenient, right? So, but we can save the images. Please guide us. Nothing is that. Just you can go here. There is a one option is there, download. You can see here. I'm downloading here, and you can see it. It will be in my download part, right? You can see it, and you can open it in my images. You can see that. So it is in my system now. Previously it was there, so now everywhere you can see that. So you can see here, this is also any images here. So if you want, I can share it here, and you can see which one you want. You can export to your top, or if you want to share to you, so I can go here with share it with any other LinkedIn ID or whatever the ID you want. You can copy it. So better I can see that. I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to paste, right? Let me come here with I think we can go here with chat messages, and now I'm going to paste it, and you can see that it has been shared to you. So that from that you can able to also take it here. Anyway, you can do it. Whether you can save the file or you can share the file, whichever you are convenient, right? So this is a Gemini AI. Now I go here. I come here with black box, right? Black box AI. So you can see here, when I come for a black box AI, I go with the third person's criteria. So it is chemical structures they are given. Okay, I'm coming here with a black box AI. It takes some more time to load it. Let me come here. Yeah. So now I want to make it here. It is of create images, right? So I'm coming here. It is of create images with chemical structure. Whether it is, I'm not aware of any topic which you are being see. It's giving. You want to describe about particular thing, right? Let me go here with some other thing. Let me go here. I'll go over here with create images. Since I'm not aware of any topic here, just I'm coming here with an AI, and I'm going to make it here, right? Sir, but can I use it in an article? Yes, ma'am, you can use it, no problem at all. So it will be a clarity also. Otherwise, if you want to make it a simple diagram, you can go with the diagram. See, this is given as steps, and you can see that this may not reduce come with an applications, right? Images. So you can see that it is coming under a publication. So it is taking the data from the publications, and it is coming here. So it is depends upon your side. So if you want to, so that I want better, we can do that. I'm going to chat with them, right? I want in black and white diagram images, right? Not with color. So that if you want, you can make it. Just I'm chatting, right? In front of you, I'm chatting. Whether it is going to create or not, I'm going to mingle with an AI tool. See, now you can see. I think now this part you can able to use it in your article. Suppose if it is look like if you want to go with a presentation, you can go with the color. If you want to go with an article, you can go with an article. Just an AI, right? So you can use any AI tool, not only these tools. There are a lot of tools is used to create an images. Among that, we are using most frequently, we are using these kind of images. So we are using here. Yeah. So you can see here, what is chat? I'll come here, right? But it is not generating in chat GPT. What you are not generating? What topic is not generating now? Let me come to the point. Which topic is not generating? I'm not clear with that. You want, so better I'll go here. I'll come here. Generate, generate the same images with black and white, right? Sometimes you have to go with it. If it is not that, then maybe how does the cite these images content in our research? It will be reduce our plagiarism. No, image concepts, I don't think so. It is going to check it from the A tab, right? I'm not aware of it. Anyway, I will check it also. Once again, I'll come with a checking on that. Since I have not spelled the words, you can see that. Can you please tell us the tool which are used to generate the images from text? Yeah, I will come. I will come one by one. So don't worry, I'm having both the parts. So first part it is there. So I will come with first part, then I can go with the second part. Now you can see this is the images is coming here, and they have said that about wound healing, right? About which wound, ma'am? You must be very particular about what type of wound healing. It is a general term. Anyway, I'll try with that, and I'm going here with create images of wound healing. You can see, right? It will say that, see, I'm using the same chat GPT, and you're saying that, sir, but it is not generating. Let me look at that. I'm not aware of it. Anyway, we can go that. See, in everything is I'm doing it in the real. I'm not using that. It is illusion of wound healing. Maybe I'm right or not. Sorry. I'm not aware of it, but you can see that. I think Sangeeta and Nicholas can able to understand that, right? Right. So I think the same ChatGPT, the same method should be used to create a graphical abstract also, or any method is there. I will come with a lot of tools. So here, as a suggestion, we are making only with AI tool. We are getting us not with the methods. Any other methods we are not using. There are a lot of different technical words are there. If you say method, that is, you have to create a method in an appropriate manner. But our topic is mainly focusing on AI tool. So which AI tool I can able to use it for this type of generation? That's all. If I take the same thing, it takes more time to do that. So that is what I'm coming here. So I think you can understand that. Graphical tool is entirely different from graphical method. You can make a graphical abstract with PPT. Yeah, of course. So our topic is research and publication. I'm not focusing on the presentation. See, whatever the AI tool, we can do it for education. We can use for generating a question paper. We can use it for generating a multiple choice question. We can use it for generating a video. We can use it for generating a presentation. All the AI tools are available. Okay. For example, I will come here since some of the persons are asking for presentation. Of course, there is also presentation is there, right? I'll come here. Go for presentation AI. Just type here. If you want, you can make here. If you want to make it here, here it's a few type. List of as the participant is asking, I'm taking this one, right? It is a list of presentation AI, or if you want list of PowerPoint generation AI, you can go here. I am got screen visible. I'm not aware of it, right? So you can see here, I'll go here. If you want a list of PowerPoint generation or PowerPoint creation AI, right? If you want free AI, you can use free AI, or if you want to go with the paid also, you can use the paid AI, right? This is a provide a lot of information. So it will provide some of the links which is you want here. Any AI, you can go here with that, right? And you can see that. Suppose if you want, you can go for search engine also, and you can search it. Presentation AI, right? You can see there is a one AI. It is called as AI presentation. So if you click AI presentation, we can go here with the how to create your presentation within a limited time. So you can give the same topic. See, if you want, I can paste the same topic, right? Wound healing. And I'm going to make next. And you can see which template you want, right? This is a template, whichever template you want, you can go here. So I'm going to go with the first one, right? And if you want to change the color, you want to change the color. And if you want to generate a PPT, go for generating a PPT, right? And you can see that these are all the content is that. What are all the content? See, I'm doing within fraction of second your time. The person who has given your own here. So if you want to register, so once again, you have to go for register, and once you can download. But there is also restriction. We have to go only n number of times. We cannot go with the multiple number of times. Not only one PowerPoint presentation. There are a lot of AI to present your content. Whatever you want, you can do it with the help of AI tool. Are you clear? So when you come to the research side, you should be aware of it, because novelty is mainly focusing on where it will affect. It will not affect with the plagiarism. It will affect with the content is generated from the AI. That's the thing you have to understand when you come for research article. Suppose if your presentation is there, you can go with AI. No one going to ask you. And even you can go here. It is of text to remember that text to video AI. If you want, if you create the text, you can go for video AI. Now you can see here, I'll come here within your presence. I'm going to generate a video, right? And I'm going to make it with a video content. So if you want, you can go with the Google. So once it is registered, you should be in your registered ID, so that it will take here. And I'm going to make continue in my presentation, right? Let me come with the chatting. What are all the messages is there? We can go here. All right. Already I created some videos, right? Anyway, once again, I will go here and I'm going to make a continue, right? Simply I'm coming from an online course. Yeah. How do you discuss this one? Friend or here, I'm going to make it continue. Yeah. Sir, one of the participants has been accidentally removed by the host. Could you please rejoin the meeting? Please, admin, please, can you able to join it? I request the admin to make appropriate persons to join. Thank you. Now I can go for continue here, right? And whichever you think, I want to make it academic, so I'm going to make it academic. What is your date of birth? All those things, if you want to give it, right? Once if you give it, I think I can go here. Let it be of 2021, and I'm coming here. It is of 26, right? Better I can go here. Yeah. Right. Once it is generated, see, you have to give the topic, right? Now I'll go to the chat messages. Look at that. I come to your chat messages and I want the steps, certain steps I wanted. So I go back here from the chat messages. So once again, I'm coming here. It is a process of wound healing. Okay. And I'm going to paste it and I'm going to generate a video. And you can see that nothing I'm going to do it. It is going for an analysis part. Yeah, it is going on. You can see it takes some time, that's all, not more than that. Weeks of Greeks. And you can see it is going for analysis. Meanwhile, we can come here. So that as AI, see, one thing you should understand, just if you have a friend and if he is going to support us, the same thing is going to done by AI. Whatever the you work, whatever your academic related or your research related or your personal related can be generated in this AI. Suppose you want to present your content, you want to present your paper and within a presentation, so that you can use this AI tool. Whether it will be very effective, of course it is effective, but if you want, you can change the content also. You have to go on through it. It is your responsible to go through that, whether the content is related to your presentation or not, right? So this is only the thing you can see here. It takes some time. Let me come here, then I will go with the video and I will show to this one. Hope you can understand that. So any type of presentations, you can make it here. Since our topic is researchers, we can come back to the researchers and we can do what are all the possible, and you can see that. Now the video is going to generate and it is asking. So since it is free, if you want to make it free, please make the duration very less. So no need to go for more thing. And whether it is a general public or healthcare professional, since the topic is related to healthcare professional or general public or medical student, and which platform you want to make it install, right? So I'm going to write here, it is of continue, and it takes time. It's some more time to reload all the contents and it will be generated by the AI. You can see that. So it is a freeware. ai.invideo.io is that, so that you can use this video for your presentation if your research is related with that. So I have taken the topic. I do not have any knowledge about these concepts, but anyway, I have generated the AI. With the help of AI tool, I can able to generate the video. Similarly, as we said that the same content, with the help of the content, I have generated the images also, right? You can see here. So it is a free. See, the YouTube channel has been given nowadays. ChatGPT is providing the YouTube channel. Whichever YouTube channels you want, you can go here and you can come here. So this is all the thing is from the YouTube channels, right? You can see that. So all the source has been there. You can see the different types of source. What are all the source? If you want to click, so you can go and learn it. So that's what this workshop is not going to give the entire detail. It is an exploration. How you can utilize your research work with the help of AI tool. So if you want, you can use a Canva or with me, and you can see these are all the list of tools which is used for making an image to an article. If you want to make an image to an article, that's what I given here. So that's what I given, sir. List out some prior AI tool that can able to create a presentation. If you want, you can make it with the help of that. Okay. So this is all the things you should be considered here related to the image side, right? And I'm having queries. Let me check. Right. I do not know. Someone is sending a message. Right. Some person is maybe that. Please, admin, please check it. I cannot able to understand what is the problem is going on. Let me go here. Now I'll come to the next level. So as the name suggested, we can go here. There are different types of tools also there. So one it is of text to image generation AI. So one it is called Open AI. So that is already we have discussed. Okay. Anyway, if you come here, it is go for the ChatGPT only. So I'm not going here. The next one, it is for, you can see that focus on producing a high artistics and style of texting prompting, which is called as Midjourney, right? Anyway, I come here with the Midjourney. See, this is the website which is used for Midjourney. I'll go here and I open in a Chrome, so that it is also one of AI tool which is used to produce the document in terms of images. So you can see this is an image journey. If you want, you can know, please read. See, you can see that is an independent research lab exploring a new medium of thought. So everything you have to go. If I take Midjourney, it can be taken for 1 day. So it is not needed that, as that workshop title suggested, that it is exploration. So we are coming here with an exploration, so that you can go with that one type of website. It is called as a Midjourney, which is used for images. Okay. And next thing, I'll go with the next thing. So one, it is of Midjourney, and next one you can see here is of Stability AI. We can come here, the concept name, it is called as Stability AI. Okay. So this is also AI. There are a lot of AIs on that, right? I will come here with that Stability of AI, so that I can go with Google Chrome. So it will be comfortable for me. That's all. Nothing other than that. Instead of Explorer, I'm using here. And every AI, we have to go with our login credentials. So then only it will be going for accept your cookies. So you can see that. So Stability AI, which is used for human potentials through the generative AI. So you can come here, what are all the models. You look at that, whether it is belongs to your research or not. I am not aware of it. I am telling overall AI. So you can see that audio AI is there, video 3D it is there, and you can come here, it is of stable diffusion is there, and building a stability of AI. So you can look at all the information, then you can go give for the login credential. Suppose if your research is not related with this website, then please then close it. No problem at all. Since we no need to go with that. If it is comfortable, you can see that, right? So this is all depending upon your side, right? Now we can go. So this is about here. Now you can see the video has been generated, and you can see that it is going to be covered with a maximum, right? Anyway, I will play now and I will mute the voice, right? Just you can see that wound healing, how the concept has been automatically generated by this AI. So once if it is generated, you can automatically download the videos, so that you can see that. That's what I'm giving. Always make a video for 1 minute or 1 minute, that's best. If you want to make it for more than a minute, then it will be of failure one. These tools also assist media mapping in research? Yes. So there are, if you want, okay, you are using the word media mapping. The same question, sir, I'm going to ask it, right? Let me come here. The same, I'm going to copy it, right? And I'm going to use it in Capgemini, and I'm going to ask, list out the tools also assist for media mapping in research. Okay, that's all. So what are all the tools is used for mapping, right? And if you want, you can make here a list of 5 free tools right? Free tools, and I'm going to paste it so that you can see that. See, just like one friend who is going to do all the things, you can ask. You no need to depend on any of your friends, right? You no need to depend upon taking a book and you have to learn through it. Better utilize AI for your research. So hard work and smart work. Which one is needed? Smart work. So AI will support you. Underline the word. You must understand that. Now, first I finish and then I'll say that. You can see that. The same text what you are typing, right? I have been given. Okay, I want the link. Please send the link or a website link. I'm going to make it. It is a website link or link. If you give it, it will be generated. Okay. So you can see that. So you can make it whether if you want, you can comfortable with whichever mapping, media mapping is such as like that. You can go here. So whatever question you want to ask to me, better you can ask it to ChatGPT or Gemini. So no need here. Since I am not an AI, I am a human being. I can't able to store all the details in my mind. Right? It is the generative AI. So what I'm saying is, there is a one keyword I have to say. It is called, this AI will support your research and it will not generate the articles for your research. Don't do the generation of articles or creation of an article for your entire research. Use the AI tool in order to support for your research, not for creating the entire article or entire paper from the AI. Since there must be a novelty in the researchers, so we request, as I suggest, personal suggestion I'm giving here, use the AI tool in order to make it a diagram or architecture diagram or from text to word or from images to text. All those things are there. We can able to use it here. You can use like that. So as a support, we can use it, not for full creation or full generation. So that is my personal suggestion when you come for the research side. Of course, can I able to write a paper with the AI? Yes, you can write it. But whether it will be authenticated or not, it will be you have to be decided here because of not plagiarism. It will be a content which has been generated by the AI, right? So this is what. Suppose if you want to go for presentation, you can use this. See, the entire videos has been here. So if you want, you can download here. So 1 minute video, you can download freely, right? Or 2 minutes videos, you can download. But if you go for 4 limit, it will ask for subscription. So you have to understand that. You have to pay the amount and you can go for generating the videos, right? This is what about here. Now I'll go back to the image content, right? And I'll come back here. So next one, it is of stability AI. So I'm giving list outing as the term suggested exploration. I am exploring all the AI. Whichever AI you are comfortable, you can take it for your research side in order to make it for your diagram representation or a text representation or anything, right? Now I'm going here. And this is a deep AI. It is also one of the AI which has been used here. See, you can come here. Here, all the things are there. So you can use it here. One it is of chat, another one it is of images, another one it is of videos, another one it is of music. Whatever you want, you can go for your own ideas. But there must be some individualities in your research side. So whenever you go through these kind of web pages, please read the content properly and whether this AI will support your researchers. So this is a one type of AI which is called as a deep AI. And next I'm coming here, you can see runway AI. AI generated images and video content creation. So I'm coming both from the text, we can go for image generation and also we can come for video content creations. So now I'm going to click it here. You can see. So this is also a one type of website we can see. Of course, the word exploration shows that every kind of AI we are going to generate it here. So you can see the content advancing of creating with an artificial intelligence, and you can see the runway networks, what are all the things has been generated. So whichever thing you want to make it with a real factor scenarios, and you can see here. So even you can see that for anyone to a story to tell, all those things which is generated by a videos. That's what. Now in front of you, I have shown about the in video AI. What about the wound healing? How about this wound healing has been prepared, everything here, right? So this is one part that is about text to image generation AI. And one more thing I'm coming here, like that we can see thousands of AIs are available, right? Thousands of AI are available. Whichever AI tool you want, you can use it here. Or if you have a doubt in which AI you want to use it, you can ask it with any one of AI. Whatever the AI you are comfortable, or whichever AI you are comfortable, you can go with that. So all those things you can see here. So this is another one AI tool, which is mainly focused for create and remix of images, right? If you want to mix the images, right, you can go here with the art reader. And next one, it is of Dream by Ombo, which is means of mobile app. If you're having a mobile and you want to generate, you can go here with mobile app. And if I go here, it takes, right. So creating more than with a dream, so that you can go with a QR code and you can be able to create your images, whatever the images you want. It is not only for your research. Also, if you want to make your presentations, night instructions with your participants or anything you want to, you can make it here. You can go here with text to image generations. Yeah. And next thing, I'm coming here. It is about, I come here, it takes time, right? Anyway, I'll go here with the website. It is of Crayon, right? It is of Crayon. AI. So I'll come here with the images. So you can see that it is of image art, so that it is a AI generated images. So you can see that the content which has been provided here, right? So whatever the content you want, you can able to create here, right? And I'm going to make it allow, and you can see. So for example, if you want to make the model, introducing image video craft, right? Introducing latest video craft model they are using here. So these are all the different types of AI for image to text generation. Are you clear? Now we move on to the next part. As some of the participants suggested, sir, I want some images to write it in the descriptive manner. So I had an image, so I want to go for the images, right? Let me come with the same downloaded images, right? Now I'm going to upload what images I have generated here, right? Let me come here. What image? So, okay, I'll download this one also. So I have downloaded 2 images. Now I'm going to upload the same images in different AI, right? I'm going to upload, right? It will be available here. So that now I come with the first one, right? And you can see I want to make a descriptive part with 10 lines, right? I want to make it with 10 lines. So I don't want to go with it too brief or too long. I want to go it here. So you can see whether it is going, yes, you can see that. I'm not doing anything. As I'm asking 10 points, right? As I'm asking about the 10 lines right here. So it is coming here with 10 lines, right? Suppose I want in a paragraph, right? I want in a paragraph, right? Okay. So it is creating images, right? Anyway, we can go here with an images. It is giving a generated images with a paragraph, right? So you can see that showing the skin wound site and first stage, and this is the image, right? So it is providing the images and also providing the content. So I'm coming here with the content, right? And you can see here, right? So this is the way you can go for converting a images. So whatever the images, right? Suppose I'm going here. If any other department or any other person can give any images getting, right? So since I had been here using here, so you can see the content here. Suppose I want in terms of any diagram is there, I'm not aware of it. Anyway, I'll go here. Just I'm asking architecture diagram, right? Architecture diagram for this process. Since I'm not aware of the particular process, right? I'm just creating, it is generating images. See, I'm not in the first word I've given it images. So it is automatically generating the text and it is processing the text. So you can understand that. Only this images you can use it here. No, you can see now what process I am giving here. The same problem, right? It is coming here with the process diagram. And what from the first diagram, I'm generating this one. So from this, I want to make it generation. But once you got the statements from AI, suppose you receive the statements AI, please read it properly, right? We can't able to say 100% accuracy. Please remember that it is not related with 100% accuracy. So you have to read it properly. Once again, you just have a glance and you can go through it and you can find out the process. When I use the content plagiarism, check it, it will be when I use the content plagiarism, I think, listen, when it's it will be reflected. Let me check it in front of you itself. I'll check, no problem at all, right? I'm going to use it, right? Just I'll check it whether this will be produce any plagiarism report or not, right? Like I'm going here with free plagiarism checker, right? So that we can check whether it will produce any free plagiarism checker or not. But it will not provide, but when you come for AI generated tool, it will can be reflected, right? You can see that. Let me check how far it is going to make it in your term. I'm coming here so that you can check all those things, whether it is going to provide the result, and you can see that we can't find any plagiarism. If you want, you can check it here. We can't find any plagiarisms here. So it is not providing plagiarisms. But when you go for quill boot, I'll come here. Now you can see that. Suppose I'm using a quill boot for a plagiarism check a detectors, right? Now you can see I want to paste the text. So just I'll go here and I'm going to make it the text upload here. Analyze the text. Yeah. The same text I'm going to upload. Now you see there. There's a difference is that. That's what problem. Now you can see. This is the difference. When I say plagiarism, it is not plagiarism. When I say AI detected, yes, it is AI generated. This is what the researchers should understand the difference. So you are always focusing on plagiarism. Plagiarism means where these content are used in any published papers or any other previous thesis or any other thing that will be considered. Are you clear? So if you copy and paste it, it will be accepted for no plagiarism. But when you come for AI detector, suppose the appropriate person or appropriate committee members, they are using a whether the content is AI generated means you can see that it is 100% it is about AI generated content. So the researchers can use the tool for writing, which means that you can get the data and please refine the data and you can make it as human written and AI refined, or you can come here with either a human written format. But you can get the ideas instead of taking more time in learning the process and come to one conclusion that this is the process is going on. So for that, we can use this AI tool, any AI tool, and we can able to write it in the human readable format or human returnable format. That's what. And so much of them as the researchers are mainly focusing on plagiarism checkers. But nowadays the recent trends and technologies are coming here with an AI, right? Among this four category, which one is accepted in the handwritten? Majority depends upon the policies of the journal. You read the policies. I can't able to say that. Read the journal policies. When you go for the journals, appropriate journals, you read the policies. In that policy, they given this much must be of AI generated, this much percentage must be of plagiarisms, and this much must be of an human handwritten format. So that thank you. Right. So that you should understand that. I can't able to say that because each journal persons, the advisory committees has been nominated with certain rules. So your paper can have generated AI generated this much percent and AI generated with AI written this much percent and human and AI written is this much percent and human written is this much percent. As when you go for submitting your papers, they will give a criteria how much percentage the plagiarisms can be of, right? So like that, you can also make it your own way. So you please, whenever you go for submitting your paper or you want to apply your papers to the particular journal, please read the policies and the guidelines of the author. So once you read the guidelines of the author, they will give that. It should not be a plagiarism content. It should not be a plagiarism content, of course. It should not be AI generated content. And they will give this, some journals, they may give this much percent. Some journals, they will give 0%. There should not be any AI generated content. So which journal or which publication you want to publish your researches and innovative ideas, please go through the policies, to the appropriate policies and appropriate guidelines of the author. Then you can ready to make your papers. So once you started making with AI, and if you go and submit the papers for the without AI generated means, then it is a problem for you. So previously, when you go for submission of a paper, you please read the article. That's the one suggestion I want to give it to you, right? So that's what. So these are all the things we can able to come here. So that's what. Even I can generate the images, whichever pattern you want, you can able to make it for here. Are you clear? Suppose if I want to use this concept in a computer science, I can able to generate the images, right? Suppose, let me check it, whether it is going to provide. Now, this is related with, I do not know which department it is. Anyway, I'm going to want to make this diagram into a technical department for the computer science, right? So I want here, protocol stack for implementing this application, right? This application. Let me check it, right? See, it is generating the images. I want to make this problem into an application. So let me check whether this AI is going to, see, I'm not favor of any particular AI. It can be any AI, you can see that. So this is the way related to the diagram vertical oriented they are giving, and you can see application layer as a computer science person. I'm saying that application layer, presentation layer, session, transport, and every layers I can got it here. So this is the way. See, what is the thing? If you want to ask any questions, you can ask to your AI itself. So that and we must ensure that whether the data is right. I'm not reading the data. Once you read the data, I can understand that whether it is right or wrong. Depends upon my domain. So basically, same thing for your domain also. Whichever domain you want, you can make it here. And aware of it, what is your entire novelty of your research work? You should aware of that first. Before starting to the work, what problem you're going to identify. For that, you can discuss with AI, no problem at all. So I want to do some research in particular domain. You can ask the question. So what is the latest domain? Suppose I'm coming here. I'll go with the wound healing itself because the topic suggested so that we can go here. List of problems suggested to take research in the wound healing process. Right? I'm making minimum of five problems, right? So you can suggest, see, they are suggesting, and I'm not aware of it. That's what I'm saying that, so that you can see whichever thing you want, you can go here, and whatever the technical terms you want, you can use it here, and how to retrieve the problem, how you can suggest. See, that's what 5 problems are suggested in the process of wound healing. Since I have heard the word and I'm typing the data and I'm getting the data, like that you can use it here, right? And whichever problem, suppose if it is age related changes in wound healing, right? More specific, I want 2 problem with more specific, right? 2 problem with more specific. This is all used to find the problem, right? You can see here. So you can see here. So they are giving about the 2 problems which is more specific in whether we can come here recent in India 2024, right? So you can see here what all the problem is going on here within everything you can see it here. So this is just we are gathering information with an AI and we can able to find out the problem, and from that problem we can able to convert into a solution that is must be in your hand with a novelty. Once you have an idea, okay, I can take this problem and I can able to do it, then you can make a keyword in order to make the images. So once you are making the keyword in order to make the images, once the image is there, you can go with the descriptive part. Once the descriptive part is clear, you can go for next analytical part. How far we can go with an analytic? What type of data we have to take it, right? So you can say what are all the topics, and you can see here, as mentioned in the search, the research is 580 developed. See, recently they have developed what they have. It is all provided by this AI, so that you can understand that. So it is nearly supportive, more supportive. That's what you must understand that I can use a various AI for supporting in order to writing the article, not for generating or creating an article. The word support is very important rather than create, rather than generate. So you can use these tools in order to make it your supporting. So this is what about the image to text and text to images. Any diagram, for example, you can search whatever the diagram you want, right here. Better I go here with the last class, I go here with lung cancer disease, right? With AN. I'm coming here with artificial neural networks, right? I'm going here with artificial neural networks, so that you can see here. I want to image, right? And I'm going to download this image. Look at that. I'm going to save this image. It will be, I will store it in download, so that I will store it in a download. And now I'm going to make it. What is the process? Now I'm going to upload the download messages, right? And give it in a descriptive format. So automatically it provides, sir, if you want to use only ChatGPT, no, nothing is there. I'm not particular to particular AI. You can go with any AI, whichever you can see. From the image, it has been generated. Instead of looking at the image and I am knowing now, I can use understand the word. What are all the words I'm using here? Algorithm. SVM algorithm has been used here. And you can see there are technical terms I'm using. What are all the technical terms? From that, I can go for in-depth knowledge about the particular diagram within a fraction of a second. So this is the concepts you have to understand. So first, today's session, we have discussed about how far the text we can convert it to the images, text to the converted image to the videos. That is the one part. And the second part, how far we are converting the images to the text. Sir, is it possible for you to estimate the graph and convert it into the content? Of course, yes. We can go with the graph and you can come with a graph. Now I'm going here with the graph pattern, bar graph, right? Better I come here with the bar graph. I'm searching, right? Okay. Now you can see that I'm going to download this bar graph. Now I'm going to save the bar graph. Once you got the result, we have to prove it, especially in the department of computer science. So once again, I'll go here. And now I'll come here. I'm going to upload the images with a bar graph and analysis in the table format. I'm asking, I want the table format. Actually, we will draw the graph from the table to the graph side, right? And you can see here. See? So from the graph, I can easily convert the data, and if you want make it export to Excel sheet, it will create an Excel sheet. So my work is over. Within 2 minutes, you can see that exactly 7:45 I started here. Now I converted and I can go for opening the sheet also. You can see the data. See? No work is there. For this, I can use this AI tool. Are you clear? Suppose you want to make it. So what I have done, I have downloaded the graph and I want to convert it into a table and I want to export it to the Excel sheet. Within a fraction of a second, without anything on spot, I have given the demo for this session. Are you clear? So if you, in some other AI, if you go there, it will ask for my remaining suggestions also, right? If you go with some other, see, it will giving the analysis part also. Okay, can you now I want to go for the efficiency, how far it is efficiency, make it efficiency graph, right? Better we can go for the efficiency. I'm just putting the word efficiency, right? Let me check what will happen, right? So what are all the efficiencies we are using here for this part? Appropriate data set part, which are all the things has been used here for the efficiencies. So you can consider that the very important aspect is how to chat with AI in order to get your goals. That's very important. You can type, you must be practiced with AI so that if I give this word, what the AI is going to be generated. If I'm going to give this word, what the AI is going to be generated. So before giving the word, the researchers, you must be aware of what you are doing in your work. So once you got the structure, if you give the structure, within a fraction of a second, we can get any tools for writing here. I'm particularly focusing on now Gemini. Today I'm focusing on Gemini. Tomorrow I may be focused on black box. Tomorrow I may maybe focus on some other AI also. So the very important aspect is practicing with AI. Since I'm practicing with AI, of course, I'm not fully familiar. Of course, somewhat I was familiar with AI. I'm practicing and I'm getting the data and I'm taking a workshop. So the very important concept is practicing. You have to practice with particular AI in order to make all the things which are all you're comfortable with. And if I go with, I think it is of black box AI, it's take more time, right? And you can see here, one it is of web search with citation. One more thing you can understand that, right? Once again, I'll go back to my login. It takes time to make it here, right? Look at here, web search with citation. So you want to search with citation, take it. You want to go with image or document or code analysis, you can click it. Or you want any agents, or if you, this is all for the programmers. App builders, it's mainly for the programmers who is want to create an applications or who want to create a software, you can go here. And here also in these things you can see web search is here, deep search is there, domain search is there, generate an image, upload. So each AI has their own functionalities. Whichever AI you are comfortable, you can go and practice with AI in order to make appropriate writing from your research side. Suppose you want to search, click here. So you can go here with web click search and you can type whatever you want. Better, I'm going here with wound healing in latest 2024. I'm going to search it. Right, and you can see here what are all the papers which has been generated here, and you can see this is all the contents which has been coming here, and you can go through the innovation, what all the things has been happened. So this is all about the one topic which I taken, and you can see that they are giving a suggestion. What are all the suggestion? What is the thing is that I'm not aware of it. Anyway, I'll show that. That's all right. I'm not being aware of it. Now these are all the contents which is you want to go here. Now if you want to go with an editing content, previous content which you want to edit, we can go here. But when you come for ChatGPT, we want to make it edit and we have to copy it and we have to paste it here. Or no, sir, I want to make it a continue. I want to make it continue. So that you can see that what all the programs has been happened here, everything can be done here. So the main concept is how to choose any one AI which you are comfortable and go with that appropriate AI, and whatever you want, you can make it here, right? I want to make it new, you can go here with a new chat, and I want to make it a deep search. Suppose I want to go for a deep search or domain search or generated images, you can go here. This is another one AI, right? And Ninja, another one AI, it's called Ninja AI. You can go with Ninja AI also, right? And you can see that. So here also you can see here, see, create a black and white image. See, where is it taking the data? I told that in one AI, I type the messages, I want black and white image. Now you can see what is the option is coming, creating a black, because it is tracking. How it is tracking? With my login ID. So with my login ID, it is taking that, creating a black and white image I want, since it is here. And I'm always a coder, so that I used to write a Python code, so that it is coming here creating with the Python code. Suppose it is your favorite, means it will be coming under your settings, right? Yeah. Suppose I want to create an image, same thing, go here, create an image for, it is about wound healing, right? I'll come here with the wound healing. So it is also, you sometimes some AI will generate it, as one of the participants said, sir, I am not getting an image, but I got the image with the same heading. It is depends. Now you can see that these are all the different types of images. It's providing one or more options. Whereas when you go for one AI, it is providing only one image. The same, I'm coming with another one AI, it is also producing only one image. Now you can see that it's providing multiple images. It is giving a suggestion to you, and you can see that. What are the factors you want to make it? Yeah, please. What is the chat message? How to make it easy literature reviews? That's very simple. I think on the day itself, I told that about the literature review. It is very, very simple. You can put the topic and you want. Yesterday, I have shown the demo. I think you have been there or not. Anyway, I'll come with tomorrow also, no problem. Just I shown the demo yesterday's class. Anyway, I'll show that. Now you can see here. When I come for here, it is asking the section, what are the key factors are influencing? And can you provide the detailed comparison of with the different types of issues? Giving a suggestion, related prompts here. How do the various medical conditions such as diabetes or like this coming in? Now I'm going to make it here. Yeah. You can see, so it is providing all those things. What are all the suggestions it has been provided, everything it is coming here. If you want to make it in an image, generate an image, you can give the text around it is about the generated images. So it is always providing a suggestion for the users in order to retain why. Okay. So every AI is a competitor. So each AI has their own functionalities and their own conditions. So whichever research site you are interested, you can go through it. Normally, I'm talking about only 4 to 5 AIs or that. There are a lot of AIs or that, right? So this is about the text to image generation. And if you want, you can go with the text to image to text generation. And even if you want the data in the Excel sheet, also you can make it here. Anyway, tomorrow I'll try to come with all the data. Suppose if your research is related with the data, how far we can go with the related concepts, right? So this is the thing we have discussed here. So about RPDer, Wombo, Crane, and this is now. We go to the next. I'll come with only these 4, and then I will wind up the session. Then we can go for tomorrow's with the remaining thing. Formatting and citation. How to an open source reference management tool for formatting. I think you know the formatting. Alignment should be justified. 1.5. All those things must be that. So this is a one website which is mainly focusing on for. You can see here your personal research assistant. Are you clear? So it can be, if it is you can say that it's a software. You can go here and you can see that this is a tool. Actually, this tool is used in Mac. So if you want, you can download it here and you can see it is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and iOS. If you want to format your document, right? A very important factor. After that, the alignment is not there. You can want to click and you can see that. Just right click, it will give the procedures, how to go for everything. You can see that all the styles and every synchronizations has been used here. So this is a one type of formatting the text. You want to make it a formattive because it takes more time to go with an alignment and everything. So we are coming. So this is a process. You should understand that, right? So this is the one thing you are coming here. Next, I'll go here, but the next one, it is called as EndNote. It is also like a tool, a tool, which is used to make it very easily for formatting the text and the content. And you can see here, all those things are exploration. So, right, I'm not creating any website. I'm not, this RCHUB is not creating any website. The technical term of this workshop, it is called research exploration. The word exploration means I'm going to explore all the content which is available in the internet with the help of AI. So you can see that the trial ones for N1 for how many days it is free? 21 days you can free. If you want, you can go for subscribe. If the AI tool, it is very useful for you, right? So this is the second one. And I will come here with the third one, right? It is of Manly. Help in organizing the research papers and creating a site. Yes. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. If possible, I will take it because it takes more time. If points tomorrow is there, I'll come with all that. I will make it every steps. And one more thing, if you want to make it clear, just I'm going to click it once again. You can check it the videos also. The videos will be available. Anyway, I will tell that. If you want, I can go with in depth tomorrow how to make it, how to create this one and everything. But it takes more than half an hour. So for that, I'm thinking, right? Anyway, I'll come with that. So the next one, it is what are the A used for PPT presentation? Yes, Rubini, you can same thing. See, I'm going to make it. I'm just copying it, right? And I'm going to make it with the search engine, right? And I'm going to make it, right? Any tool, I'm going to use it. Now I'm using black box and I'm going to paste it. What question you are going to ask to me? The same questions I'm going to ask it, right? Better I'll come here. List of AI tool used for PPT presentation, right? Right, I'm going to make it now. So you can see that the list of tools which is being available here, and I want to make it list 5 free AI tool, right? You can type it. Anyway, I'll tell that how to increase your, I'll come with the questions also. I think Dr. Kushma Sharma, I will explain your thing if possible today or tomorrow, right? Now I'll go here with AI tool. So free AI tool. What are all the free AI tool? You can see that 9 AI best makers. Slide go. If you want to make a link, see, provide a website link. Whatever the question you want to ask to me, you can ask it to the AI so that the AI will support you for your research here, right? You can see what are all the free AI tools. Some of the free AI tools which has been used for your presentation. So you can go through that also, right? So this is about the things that. So next I'll come here with one more thing. It's about Manlin, and I can come here with paper. Anyway, tomorrow I'll go with this from Manlin and I will try to answer the question of how to increase the citation tomorrow, right? So I will make a note of it, how to increase the citation tomorrow. I will make it clear. Since the time is 7:59, I would like to end up the session and I would like to stop my screen. And is there any queries from your side? And I want the feedback of this workshop, please. I request all the participants to give your feedback or suggestion or queries in the chat box, please. I request all the participants to give it so that we want to improve the level of the workshops from the RCHUB Academy. So I request all the participants to give your suggestion or feedback or anything. If you have any queries you related, you can come here. You can give it here. Thank you. Any queries? If you want, I want to take it tomorrow. Can you give the short briefing how we can use an AI for writing a research paper? Yes, of course. Tomorrow I will make. Tomorrow I will make it with right. Thank you. Thank you very much for everyone to being patient for 1 hour. Anyway, tomorrow is the last day. We can kindly consider the code. Yeah, I know that. I make a note of it. Right. Discuss the regarding how the Google Scholar publication. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I will make a note of it and I will clear your clarifications tomorrow. Thank you very much for all the participants. Thank you.
Contact RCHUB International Foundation for Research and Education. WhatsApp 9888 231 231.